Hi, this is Dave Wolf, the School to Work Coordinator for RIU 6. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for OVR Individual Services. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to our webpage, which is riu6.org. Go to Programs and Services, and then to OVR Individual Services. Okay, this brings up our webpage. Okay, so you want to go to step 1. Okay, so the first thing with a student, if they're new to OVR, they're going to have to fill out a release form, which can be found right here. Okay, once the student returns this release form, what you will do next depends on which OVR coordinator that you have. Okay, if you have Kathy Wellman, okay, what you're going to do is go ahead and shoot her an email to let her know, and then she'll walk you through the next steps. Okay, if you have Melody Trout, you're going to turn in a application electronically, and she'll contact you that way. Okay, so if that's the case, then you're going to go to this link. Okay, that brings up this document with some information here, and basically the directions on how to do it, which I'm going to walk you through. Okay, so you click on the link. Okay, in the upper right-hand corner is register, and it's an individual seeking OVR services. Okay, then you're going to fill out this information. Okay, then when you get down here, have you applied or receiving benefits or services? Click no, then continue. Then fill out your contact information. Okay, don't forget to choose your county. When that's done, click continue. Okay, I just go with suggested address, but that's up to you. Okay, you're going to create your user account with your username and password. Okay, you're going to fill out all this information for your username, answer the security questions, and don't forget to check the box. Okay, when you have all that information done, click continue. Oh, let me pause while I fix this. As you see, you can't use the same question twice. Then hit continue. Okay, here's your registration confirmation. From here, you're going to choose Request Staff Assisted Service. Okay, when you're filling this form out, in the comment section, you want to put applying for OVR individual services, and then the student's teacher, the class, and where it's located. Okay, and then down here you want to click on Office for Vocational Rehabilitation Services, then Request Services. Okay, then you want to hit yes here and then continue. Now you're going to fill out the pre-application by going down through each of these individual steps. Make sure in this step you fill in the contact person. You also have to provide your social security number. Please don't worry about providing that. You only do it one time here, and then OVR scrambles it. It kind of gives you a code for it, and all the other documents kept in strict confidence. To fill out the rest of it, then hit save. We move on to the next section. Okay, for this section, you would click new and put in all of your information here. Okay, most students are going to put secondary education, no high school diploma, because they're still in school. The credits earned, I would just leave blank for now. And for start date, still attending. Save. Oh. Okay, start date would be, I missed that part. So start date would be whichever day they started school, whichever year. And save. Save again. Next section 3. Where's your disability? You're diagnosed. Are you currently employed, etc. Okay, and filling out this form. Where's your disability? What year were you diagnosed? Are you currently employed? What can they do to help you? Whether it be a work experience, training, etc. Okay, what careers interest you? And if you have work records, you can enter it here, and if you don't, just save. And go to the next, household information. Okay, and for this section, you're gonna put your living arrangement here. Okay, do you have transportation? I just put random answers here to get it filled out. What's your primary source of support? Okay, is your folks working? Are you working? SSI, etc. If you're getting SSI, you would note it here and hit save. Next section, waiver services and other agency involvement. Okay, currently receiving medical assistance waiver services from the Pennsylvania Department of Human Services. Not just here, but yes here. Any other agencies that you may be working with currently? Save it. Medical information. Okay, then go down through this medical form. Select the type of insurance you have. Whether you're an individual with blindness or a visual impairment. Any medical conditions that you may have. I just checked one random as we get on through. Okay, moving efficiently from place to place. Are you able to walk, use public transportation? Do you require a brace? Can you drive? Can you climb stairs? Do you need a wheelchair? Self-care skills needed to fulfill basic needs related to health, safety, hygiene, and financial management. If you need help living on your own, you click here. If you need help dressing, grooming, housekeeping, money management, etc. Work tolerance, carrying out physical and cognitive work tasks in an efficient and effective manner over a sustained period of time. Do you have trouble with stamina, temperature changes, fumes, dust, stress? Okay, interpersonal skills. Do you have trouble getting along with others, controlling your emotions, accepting supervision? Do you have trouble with cooperation, etc.? Okay, work skills, critical skills needed to carry out essential work functions such as functional academics, motor skills, processing speed, memory, and communication. Again, click on ones that you have difficulty with. Communication. Okay, click on the ones that you have difficulty. You have difficulty speaking, reading, writing, etc. Self-direction, planning, initiating, and monitoring behavior with respect to desired outcome that it serves to benefit the individual. Okay, anything that you have trouble with. Okay, and the reason they're looking for these things are they're things that they know that they'll be able to work on. Also, if you want to explain, do an explanation of the things that you showed at the top, you would do that here. Okay, the medical professional treating your disability, you would add your doctors, you would add any medication that you're currently taking. When you finish all that, you would hit save. Okay, and the voter registration would be optional. Okay, and then when you're finished, you would hit submit application. Once you hit submit application, you'll be done. I'm not going to do it here because I don't want to send them a bogus application. If you have any problems or trouble, please feel free to reach out to me. That's my email address, my phone number. It doesn't matter if you're students an IU6 student or not. If you need assistance signing up for your OVR, please reach out. The IU6 is also a provider. We provide services as well. So again, any questions, comments, concerns, here's my email and my phone number.